Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can set screen time on Android phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. And after that, you can scroll down to find digital well-being and parental control. And this is the settings, so just tap on it. And if you want to set screen time goal on Android, we just need to click on set goal right here. And you can select the goal that you want. And for example, I'm going to select 10 hours like this, and after we're done selecting the screen time goal, we can click on done right here. We can click on done. Okay guys, and if we want to change the screen time goal, we just need to tap on screen time goal right here. Then we can click on the three dots button. Then we can click on change goal. Okay, and if you set screen time goal, you will get notification or reminder if your screen time is over. Okay guys, and that's how we can set screen time on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.